Hi, I'm John Devore. Welcome to the channel. Today we are open. This is the Munich HighEnd audio show, and I'm going to do a quick tour of our sound cabin of the room. So we'll go in here this way. There's my breakfast for later. In the sound cabin, this is Simon Brown of Design, Build, Listen from New Zealand, and he has supplied his beautiful turntable. The brand is Wand, and that is the Wand tone arm in the back, 12 inches, and that is holding our mono EMT cartridge. And then this is a very cool conical, this is a prototype of a new arm, and that is holding our stereo EMT cartridge. And this is also a prototype of a new turntable, and it's sounding excellent. Big upgrade from last year where we weren't even able to get the analog up and running at all. And then here is our Audiomat phono section, and that is our Auditorium 23 step-up transformer, Audiomat DAC, and that is our Audiomat tube integrated amp. That's a pair of KT88s on each side. Our beautiful box furniture rack. This is one of the modular racks. And the speakers that we brought this year, we've got a pair of the micros, and currently connected the Oh Babies. And the view from the sweet spot. And let the show begin. See you next video.